In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync WhatsApp contacts on your PC in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make sure you can access all your important conversations seamlessly across your devices. First and foremost, it's crucial to ensure that the contacts on your phone are already synced with WhatsApp. This initial step is foundational because WhatsApp relies on the contacts within your phone to function correctly. Take a moment to verify that your phone's contact list is up to date. This will ensure that once you mirror your conversations on the PC, everything is accurate and matched to your most recent contact information. Now, let's move to your computer. Here, you'll need to open up either WhatsApp Web or the WhatsApp Desktop app. These are the two versions available for PC, and both work in essentially the same manner regarding syncing contacts. If you haven't installed the desktop app yet, you can easily download it from the official WhatsApp website. WhatsApp Web, on the other hand, can be accessed directly through your internet browser, making it a convenient option for quick setups. Once you have WhatsApp open on your PC, you'll notice that it's asking you to link your phone to it. This linking is essential, as it allows for real-time message syncing and ensures that your contacts appear correctly on the PC version. On your phone, open up WhatsApp and navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you'll find the Linked Devices option. Tap on it. This section allows you to link your phone to new devices. Select Link a Device, and you'll be prompted to use your phone's camera to scan a QR code. Now, with your phone at the ready, scan the QR code that's displayed on your PC screen. This QR scan acts as a bridge, securely linking both platforms. As you scan the code, you should see an instant connection, and your phone's WhatsApp interface, along with all associated contacts, will begin reflecting on your PC screen. This process usually happens quite swiftly. However, depending on your internet connection speed, it might take a minute for everything to sync fully. Once the syncing is finalized, all contacts from your phone should now be accessible through WhatsApp on your PC. This automatic appearance ensures that you don't have to manually enter each contact or worry about missing anyone. As you explore your messages, you'll see familiar names and threads, just as they appear on your mobile device. This setup not only eases communication, but also makes it easy to manage conversations while working on your computer. I hope this tutorial was straightforward and helpful. Now, you can effortlessly keep up with your chats, no matter where you are working from.